Hello, hello, hello. Goodison Gamer here, and welcome to Xevious on the Apple II this time. This is the first time I do an Apple II game review. And thank you to my viewer, Loon Madmite, who has helped me with emulation with this system and other systems. So thank you so much. So, Xevious is a classic old game. This is demo mode, by the way. I have reviewed several different versions of this game, and my personal favorite is the Spectrum version. So this Apple II version came out in 1984. I believe the original arcade came out in 82 something, 81, 82 something, around that. So let's see how it plays on Apple II here. So off we go here. So nice responsive controls is the first that strikes me here. And it's one button for firing and the second button is for bombs. So it's nice, and it's very easy to aim at ground objects. It's always a plus. And the hit detection seems to be good. The graphic style, I must say, it's okay. I mean, it's an old game, so I mean, it's in all its simplicity and minimalism, I must say it's alright. Oh shit. Yeah, I had no room to maneuver there. I mean, the sound effects is not so much to brag about. I'm not very into Apple II, so I don't know what is normal or not, but this sounds... It reminds me a lot of Spectrum. It's very Spectrum-esque sound effects, very modest. The pace seems to be quite good actually, and scrolling. Okay, it's a little bit on the slow side. Oh shit. It's a little bit on the slow side, but I mean it's alright. I like it that way because I'm not very into shoot 'em up, so I'm grateful that it's pretty slow. But I mean, I cannot really complain. The pace is it's okay actually. So I must say I'm impressed by this version. Much better than the Commodore 64. That was pretty crap actually, that version. I have reviewed that as well, so check it out if you want to. And something else that is really good is it game over? Yeah, it's game over. I should try again. It's the atrocious sounds that was very obvious prominent in the Nintendo 8-bit version is completely absent here, and I'm very grateful for it because I cannot really play it because it sounds like torture in my ears. So I'm pretty happy that I cannot hear that sound, and I believe all the systems I have reviewed is on that atrocious torture sound is in the mix, but it sounds different from version to version actually. Like the Amstrad CPC, shit, they really mixed it well. So the shooting effects was on top of that atrocious sound. The Nintendo version had it opposite way around, so it was horrible to hear actually. So this Apple II version, like I said, I'm impressed. I mean, it's not the perfect game, but it is what it is. I mean, it's an old game. I must say I'm enjoying it quite a bit actually. So here we go. And I remember the Commodore 64 version actually, that when you shot at ground objects, oh shit, ooh, I'm in trouble here. When I shot at ground objects, only half the building was was destroyed. So it was very bad programmed in that way. This looks good. Look, very easy to take out ground objects. Very nice with all the aiming here. So please comment down in the comment section here if there's anyone who has played this Apple II version. What you think about it. Or if you have not played it, you can comment anyway. And tell us what you think about if you like what you see or if you don't like what you see. Here is this part with this I call them psychedelic bricks. I wonder those who made this game if they were on psychedelic mushrooms or anything when they did this game. Kind of weird. But it's cool with weird games when the unexpected happens. So I don't mind it. But this game has a very advanced story, and I have not had the time to went down that rabbit hole to understand it, but it has a long story, pretty advanced story actually, and I don't really understand why. It's just a shoot 'em up game. You don't need an advanced story. It's just a shoot 'em up game. It's just about shooting at everything that moves and avoid everything that shoots at you. So it's not. So it's a game over there. I'm not gonna continue here, but of course I'm gonna. After I have finished this video, I will probably give it a few goes, but I'm gonna keep it short today. And I must say that yeah, it's a good game actually. It's a good version. I'm impressed by it. In all its simplicity, it's a good game. They really made it good here. This Namco developed it, and Mindscape published it. So good work, guys. So have a good one, everyone. Bye bye.